Hi guys, my name is Sumair and welcome to Umair's workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this rivet tool and how we can use it and how it works, the basics. So it is called a rivet tool. It is especially made for these rivets. These are called rivets. Sometimes it's small, sometimes big. So sometimes their nickel is bigger and small. So how to use it is just to use it like this. The caps are different sizes. If we are using very small one, it is a very small one, this leg, but the recommended use for this is this one. So if we are using a small one, we are gonna use it for this. How are we gonna use it? Change it. This is called a key and all these are caps. So if we have to change the caps, we are going to use this like it. Just lose it a little bit and it will come out, and then we have to take them the recommended cap from here and then take it back like this. So if you can see closely, you can see it. When we push it, it will pull this nickel like this all over the inside, and this ball, it will push through over here in this compartment. Is the compartment type of thing. It will push through over here and it will become bigger. So let's see how it's gonna work. Let's push it back. Tighten up a little bit, and then okay, I have this two parts of metal. I have already made the hole by using this drill machine. So I have made pinpoint holes from both sides just to put the rivet inside of it like that, and then start pushing it like that. If you can see from this side, it is going inside. The ball pin have been gone inside. Let's push it together as we go in the final push-ups. The nickel will come out and it will be a very good joint, and you can see clearly it have take a very good rivet, so it's not going anywhere. It's a very good connection. So this is a basic of using the rivet tool by using the rivets. And so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.